Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to get lean and drop your body fat to 11.6% in just 60 days, then this is the video for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step plan that I followed to achieve this transformation. No fad diets, no endless cardio, no gimmicks, just proven, science-backed strategies that actually work. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear blueprint to reach your own fat loss goals faster and smarter. Plus, I'll also share the biggest mistakes most people make that could completely ruin your progress. So make sure you stick around for that. Now, let's get into it. Step 1. Master your nutrition. 80% of fat loss happens in the kitchen. The most important part of dropping body fat is controlling what you eat. You cannot out-train a bad diet. If your nutrition isn't locked in, you won't see results. The first thing you need to understand is caloric deficit. This means eating fewer calories than your body burns every day. It's the only way to lose fat, and here's how to do it properly. First, calculate your maintenance calories. You can use an online calculator for this. Then, create a caloric deficit of 300 to 500 calories per day. This is the sweet spot for steady, sustainable fat loss without feeling like you're starving. Track your food intake. Apps like MyFitnessPal make this super easy. Now, cutting calories alone isn't enough. You also need to focus on macronutrients, proteins, carbs, and fats. Protein Mall Haul. This is non-negotiable. It helps you retain muscle while burning fat. Aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. My go-to sources: lean meats, fish, eggs, tofu, and protein shakes. Healthy fats. Yes, you need fats to lose fat. They support hormone function and keep you full longer. Good sources include avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish. Smart carbs. Not all carbs are bad. Stick to complex carbs like oats, quinoa, sweet potatoes, and brown rice for steady energy levels. And let's talk about meal timing. I personally used intermittent fasting, a simple strategy, where you fast for 16 hours and eat in an 8-hour window. This helped control my hunger and made it easier to stay in a calorie deficit. Step 2. Train like an athlete. Build muscle and burn fat faster. A lot of people think fat loss is all about cardio, but if you want to get lean without losing muscle, you need to lift weights. Strength training is a must because muscle burns more calories at rest. The more muscle you have, the easier it is to burn fat. Here's how I structured my workouts: 3 to 5 strength training sessions per week, focusing on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. Progressive overload, meaning every week, I increase the weights or reps to keep pushing my muscles. Full body or upper-lower split workouts to maximize efficiency and recovery. Now, what about cardio? You don't need to spend hours on the treadmill. Instead, focus on HIIT, high-intensity interval training. Short, intense bursts of exercise followed by rest. Just 20 to 30 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week can torch fat fast. LISS, low intensity. This is things like walking, cycling, or light jogging. It's great for burning extra calories without overtraining. The key here is to train smart. Overdoing cardio can actually burn muscle and slow your metabolism. Strength training plus the right amount of cardio equals the fastest way to get lean. Step 3. Optimize your lifestyle. Sleep, stress, and recovery. Most people focus only on diet and exercise, but your lifestyle habits play a huge role in fat loss. First up, sleep. If you're not getting at least 7 to 9 hours per night, you're making fat loss 10 times harder. Sleep controls hormones like cortisol and ghrelin, which affect fat storage and hunger. Poor sleep equals more cravings and slower metabolism. Next, stress management. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, which leads to stubborn belly fat storage. Here's how to keep stress under control. Practice meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Take daily walks in nature. Reduce caffeine and alcohol, especially in the evening. And finally, hydration. A lot of people mistake thirst for hunger, leading to overeating. I made sure to drink 3 to 4 liters of water per day, which helped with digestion, metabolism, and overall energy levels. Biggest mistakes to avoid. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about the biggest mistakes that could completely sabotage your results. Crash dieting. Eating way too little will slow your metabolism and make you lose muscle, not just fat. Overtraining, more workouts do not mean faster fat loss. Recovery is just as important. Asterisk. Asterisk, ignoring strength training. Asterisk, asterisk. Muscle is your fat-burning engine. Asterisk asterisk, if you only do cardio, you'll lose muscle and look skinny fat. Asterisk asterisk, avoid these, and you'll get lean the right way. Without feeling miserable. Conclusion. So there you have it, the step-by-step plan to reach 11.6% body fat in just 60 days. 2. Recap. Dial in your nutrition. Eat in a caloric deficit. Prioritize protein, and use smart meal timing. Train strategically. Strength training plus the right amount of cardio is the key to sustainable fat loss. Optimize your lifestyle. Sleep, stress management, and hydration all play a huge role in burning fat effectively. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more fitness content, and drop a comment below with your fat loss goals. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.